In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer for Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the trainer exe and select the yes option. Select OK and OK. Now you can start the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I gonna turn on this infinite hunter arrows. Once you turn on the cheats, minimize this and get back to the game. I have 20 arrows left, still 20. Infinite arrows cheats is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.